All right. It's time now. I think let's pull this other stuff up. I think we got to. It's the Your Name Here tip of the week, right, Rich? Is that what are we calling this?
That is what it is for now.
It is the Your Name Here tip of the week.
Your Name Here, yeah.
With Rich Cowgill, and here we go. Are you running the recording? Recording. You ready?
Good to go.
Randall, you're good? Okay, here we go. Wait, no, it's not. Are you not going to run? Come on.
Oh.
It's there.
There's a timeout
No, it's
on the field.
timeout on the field. For some reason, it is not playing. You got the board up?
Yeah, it's up and running.
Really? Let's try this again. No, it's not working.
Well, okay.
Okay, we could just
See?
make noises.
Okay, you ready? Saws.
Fuzzy Robbie, could you take a look at that for a second?
let me see if this one works.
Okay, Sparky.
That one worked.
Hey, there you go.
For whatever reason, it didn't like the saws and everything. There you go. Okay, Rich.
Go.
Your Name Here helpline or tip of the week is now. Go.
All right, so this week we're going to talk about, the necessity of building permits and inspections. So, do you think that the village or the city, where you're working, do you think they have your back? Are the inspections on your home going to mean quality work, or is it just a way for the city to make money? So, is it really necessary to have inspections? So, first, let's get one thing straight. Oh, look, they found it. They found it. It's boys and their toys. The city's not there to protect you per se. Most counties, towns, and cities adopt building codes and ordinances to protect all their citizens. So when you get a permit and they come out to do the inspections, their motivation is to protect not only you, but the general public, and that could be the next owner of your home.
Right.
So that's really based on, what everything is. Their job's to enforce the codes that they pass, specifically relating to health and safety, such as structural or water and sewer connections, electrical installations. But don't confuse it with quality control. So, they're not there to check for plumb, level, or square. That's your general contractors or your responsibility.
They don't care what the miters are like on your baseboard.
No, they don't. So it doesn't mean just because you have inspections that you got a quality home. It means your home is capable of doing the best. It's legally the worst house you're allowed to build.
Correct.
Is one way to look at it, but that's a whole nother thing. And I guarantee that it won't be, if you get the lowest bid, it's probably not going to be the highest quality. Typically, you're going to want to work with somebody that actually just does quality work. So that's why we always tell people to check, references and things. So don't believe building permit fees like really a cash cow for the municipality either. I mean, honestly, the last permit I got from the city of Chicago was actually far less expensive than permits in some of the surrounding towns. I mean, I did a large addition. I think the permit fee was like $800.
Yeah.
Man, I thought that was ridiculously cheap. And then I've worked in small towns where it could be as $2,400, $3,000 for even a smaller job.
Do they do that to encourage more building?
I don't really know if it's because the city of Chicago's budget for the building department comes from city revenue instead of self-generated, where I think a lot of the municipalities, the building department is sort of responsible for maintaining their own payroll and office and so on, their overhead. So it's just based on tax base. But regardless of the permit fees, it's always nice to, before you do anything, before you need inspections, it's always best to go meet with the city. What do I need? What's the responsibilities of me? What's the responsibility of my general contractor? General contractor should always pull the permit.
Yes.
Even, if you're getting a new roof and the roofer says, well, you go pull the permit, I'll do the roof, that's a red flag.
Yes.
The reason why you have the roofer pull the permit is you need to make sure he's licensed and bonded and insured in that city, and that's your first line of defense. So do not ever pull permits for your contractor.
Yeah, all that tells you is that they don't have their license and they don't have the insurance to work in the town.
It's just some dude with a hammer.
Right.
Right.
And if that's what you want, great.
Hey.
At least you know what you're getting.
Exactly.
I mean, and why do you need the inspections at all? Like I said, the inspections are there the inspectors are there to watch out for life and safety issues, and since the internet really took off, you can simply search for bad construction photos and it's all pretty much, and you can be entertained for hours. I mean, that'll answer your question.
Right. That's exactly it.
And a lot of people, you can do stuff by learning on YouTube, but the problem is it depends on what area you live in. You know, if I go in there how to wire an outlet and they're showing me how to do it in Romex, well, you can't do that in Chicago.
Right.
Yeah.
You
Well,
know,
and
so
they're not going to
think
tell you
about where you're located.
They're not going to tell you, do you need galvanized nails and screws? What kind of wood do you need? They never go into that detail.
No.
Right.
So bottom line is, yes, if you're planning a project, make sure you go see the city, the building department, building commissioner, sit, talk with them, discuss it. I'll guarantee you they will be receptive and they'll appreciate it.
Yep.
Then they'll help you map out your inspections and all that. When you get your permit, everything will go much smoother.
They're there to help you and use their help.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're not
All right.
the enemy.
We'll be back right after this.
Mighty House. Mighty House will return.